Alright, Yon World. Today on my channel, we're going over how to move the Shiba from Coinbase wallet to the main Coinbase app. Now, if y'all watch my videos, y'all know I had my Shiba on Coinbase wallet, right? Coinbase wallet is the best way to interact with Shiba Swap. Y'all know Shiba Swap. Y'all can go right to Shiba Swap from Coinbase wallet, right? So, how do you transfer your Shiba from Coinbase wallet to the regular Coinbase app? Now, there's two ways you can do this, right? Now, you'll be able to simply click on your Shiba and send, right? And when you press max, however many Shiba Inu coins you got, when you press max, it'll be a button that says next that appears at the bottom. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. If we go to Bitcoin, right, and we press max, it's a button that shows next, right? And when you press next, it'll allow you to send it directly to your Coinbase account. Now I show my email, my personal email, so I'm not gonna show that, but right, when you click on Shiba, right, you go to send. This is in Coinbase wallet, right? And then you press max, and then you'll see the next button, and then you press next. And if your Coinbase wallet is paired with your Coinbase account, it'll automatically send across. Now, you can pair it. It'll ask you, like, if you want to pair your Coinbase wallet with your regular Coinbase account or the main Coinbase app, and you'll be able to pair that. So another way, you know, and this was the way I first did it, right? You can do it that way because Shiba is on the main Coinbase app right now. Hold on. Shiba is on the main Coinbase app. So you can see I got my Shiba right there, but it's on the main Coinbase app now. So let me go back. Right. So you can send directly from, I'm saying that to say you can send directly from your Shiba Inu balance into Coinbase. All you gotta do is press send, max, next, and then it'll confirm and send it through. Now, another way you could do it is if you have your Shiba, right? If you have your Shiba, and this is how I had to first do it. If you have your Shiba, and then you go to swap, right? And then you swap your SHIB. All right, you swap, SHIB to ETH, right? If you do this pair, you swap from SHIB to ETH. You know, you obviously press max, and then it'll have the amount, and then you do a swap, right? You can swap it, transfer it to ETH, right? Transfer it to Ethereum, and then once it's in Ethereum, you can then send the Ethereum, send the Ethereum to Coinbase, right? You can link your Ethereum right to Coinbase, and then from there, right, you can trade, convert ETH to another crypto. So you can convert ETH directly into Shiba. You can do this with Shiba too. I'm gonna show y'all. You can convert ETH directly into SHIB, right? From ETH to SHIB, and it's no transaction fee when you do this, right? I already did this. There's no transaction fee. And you can also swap SHIB into any other altcoin on Coinbase, right? You can swap SHIB into anything. So let's say if I wanted to have he probably don't have it on here. But let's say Bitcoin max, right? See, the Coinbase fee is no Coinbase fee. If I was to swap, you know, my 304 million SHIB into Bitcoin. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video for y'all. I hope it was helpful. I hope y'all understood. I hope y'all understand now how to convert your Shiba from Coinbase wallet into the regular Coinbase, right? There's two ways you could do it. Let me just go over it one more time. You can swap Ethereum, where you can swap SHIB into Ethereum, and then you can take that Ethereum and you can send it directly to your Coinbase from Coinbase wallet, right? You can send it directly to your Coinbase from Coinbase wallet, or you could go directly, this probably be the easier way now, going directly to your SHIB balance, clicking on it, and then sending it directly to your Coinbase app. Now, your Coinbase wallet and Coinbase app have to be linked, right? They gotta be linked in order to do this. It's very easy to link if you haven't linked it. You could do it within the settings on Coinbase wallet, or when you attempt it for the first time, it should ask you for your login credentials. So that's my video for today. I hope y'all learned a lot. I hope y'all bought Shiba. If y'all have any questions, feel free to leave me a like. If y'all have any questions, leave me a comment. Excuse me. Leave a comment. I will respond back to you. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.